How to access TikTok Shop. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can access TikTok Shop on your TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your TikTok. Make sure that your TikTok is updated to its latest version. After you're on your TikTok, head over to the three lines on the top right. After you tap on it, head over to Settings and Privacy. And after you're on Settings and Privacy, you will need to scroll down all the way. After you scroll down for a bit, you should find a section called Creator Next. And there you'll see TikTok Shop for Creator. If you don't see any option such as that, it might be because TikTok Shop is not available in your region. Now, I don't have TikTok Shop in my region, so there is no such option. Now, TikTok Shop is only available for Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, the United Kingdom, US, and Vietnam. So if you are not in one of these regions, that might be the reason that your TikTok Shop is not available. So I hope this video helped you to find TikTok Shop, and if you didn't find it, you can wait till the next update when the TikTok will make it available for more regions. So yeah, that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.